How's it going, everybody? Just want to talk about these drop bracket keepers on the Skidoo Gen 5 mountain sleds. The stock part is a injection molded plastic piece. It's pretty susceptible to breaking. A lot of guys are breaking them. It kind of leaves you stranded because it's the only thing that keeps the skid mounted to the tunnel. We've been working on this since December of last year, but this is our high strength drop bracket keeper. It's double, these ears are double the width of the stock part. We've added this pocket right here to protect the circlip from debris going over it and knocking that circlip off. We're working on putting this on the website right now for pre-orders. We'll be doing field testing here in the next couple of weeks once we get some guys on it in the snow, and we'll let you know how all that goes, and we'll keep you guys updated.